So what I'm showing off here today is a website, and it's actually a mobile app as well that I call Unite. What it is it's a way for businesses, small businesses mostly, to share deals and events with customers very easily using a web interface for the administrators, and mostly the mobile app will be for users to connect and accept certain coupons, deals, that kind of thing. And just want to kind of show how I've been doing everything so far with this. I've been working on this web app for about 7 months now. I think it's been about 7 months since August or September or something. Or no, it's definitely been since August. And I've been just plowing along with it. I've been coding in Sublime pretty much every day on this. I don't want to dive too much in detail to the code, and I also don't want to put it online because this is still a work in progress, and also there's a lot of special keys and stuff that I don't want anyone seeing. For obvious reasons about security and stuff for the website, but I just wanted to show off all the different files I've written, just the commitment to this massive project here. On the side here, well, actually just even in here on Sublime Text, you'll see like this is just one file. 150 lines of code easily in JavaScript, JSX that I've been programming. If you just kind of look at the side here, you'll see, well, this is the node modules, but you can see just the massive number of JavaScript files that I've been programming. This is a count right here, or hold on, let's see. There's many folders with many JavaScript files. I've actually run the terminal code here in the past, and using this was found on it was some npm file, I think, or maybe it was through one of the JavaScript files. Basically allows me to count up all of the files and code lines I have in the project, and I have 98 JavaScript files in all of my Unite code, and the number of lines of code itself is over 7,000 at this point. Basically, like, I'm kind of hitting about 1,000 lines of code a month that I've been programming, in addition to working full-time and going to school full-time. Now, I just wanted to dive into the site a little bit. Since I'm not able to put the code online, I just want to show kind of how it works. Kind of start off, I'll log in as an organization here, and I already got the password set in there, so hit login. This is just like a basic template I had of like a business, Tom's Hot Dogs or something like that. Obviously, President Obama probably isn't our actual logo, but just to show that I have the picture there. Everything is run off of a JavaScript framework called Meteor, which is a front-end and back-end combined framework where you can program completely in JavaScript, so you don't have to worry about picking up another language. Like I used to try Python's Django a lot when building websites, but ever since Node.js made things a lot easier, I switched over to Meteor just because it's so much faster. And it's also a real-time database. And then obviously the front end is all built in Facebook's React.js library. So you get super smooth web application transitions and stuff like that. So if you look over here, there's multiple tabs. So if I were to change something like maybe it wasn't Tom's Hot Dogs, maybe it was Tom's Burgers or something like that, I could save the changes, and you notice it immediately changes. That's on like the front end and back end. You can see the deals, gift cards that the store might be offering or something. I can go to manage, see how many people are buying gift cards, number of members to the page and stuff. I created a notifications collection on MongoDB, which basically, so now people can get notifications and stuff like that. Let's see, make events. They can obviously allow different gift cards here. These are all easily changeable. Deals right here, so businesses can offer just general deals to the public, and gold deals as well if they wanted to. There's none on this business, but basically allows them to get 20% off stuff or whatever, put a description there. There's an expiration date, like tomorrow is January 9th when since I'm recording this video. Based on how the back end works, once it hits January 9th, this deal will expire, won't be able to use it anymore. or if the number of people that get take out all the deals at that point hits 5, it'll also expire. People can't use it then. That's pretty much like all it is on the admin side. Pretty a simple layout for business owners to administer like coupons that people can use, just directly with their phone. If I log out here, I can jump to user, sign in. I can sign in with like the same user account and all that stuff. So I'll log in. I made this map system pretty close to like Trulia or Zillow's, like the real estate companies' websites. The idea behind it was, I wanted like a nice thorough map here where people can kind of look around. They could click on the business or something, and it would bring up, Tom's Burgers, and they can look at what deals are they offering, what kind of gift cards can I get, that kind of thing. They can become a member, put their information in there. Get deals, like better deals from the restaurant, that kind of thing. This is like their Tom book, so this is where like save deals, memberships, cards would go. They can look at all the different memberships around. They can look at, just like what's going on around them tonight. All the different gift cards here. I'm working in collaboration with a couple people on this. I've coded all of the web app, but they have been working on the design and the mobile end of things, and they like to play around with me on here and stuff. But like I said, it's all real time. So once I click on these buttons here, like the upvote occurs immediately. If I wanted to, I think this is a deal right here. So if I want to add this deal to my Tom book, I can just click the button. Happens immediately. Go over here. Let's say I'm at the restaurant. I click this button, use deal. I accept the deal. I can't use it anymore, but now, now that I've accepted that deal, I can get whatever it is, like 20% off a hot dog or something like that, whatever it is. And obviously, you can't use this anymore. So as you can see, just by me kind of going through this, we've mostly me, because I've recruited these guys kind of later on, but I've put a tremendous amount of work into this website. I've been working on it for many months now. Even before I started programming it, I was basically spending months and months and months just learning how to program with Meteor and React.js. So very committed to the projects that I pick up.